Good morning, all of my demons and all of my angels. We're playing Nine Kings. Last time we played as the King of Blood and saw just how quickly those armies could scale. Now we're playing as the King of Nature. Nature guy has a couple of things going for him, mostly poison. He's got a poison spell, he's got the give me more unit spell, and he's got the orchard spell, which traps enemies. I personally think the orchard spell sucks. Mycelium's okay, clone's pretty good, boar and elf, kind of up in the air. What are perks? Tree ants attacks are 10% stronger per rank. Okay. Pollinator. Start out with mycelium at a random outer plot. Each rank gives +1 level. Okay. Tenacious. Receive +1 procreate cards every time you lose a life. That's not bad. Procreate does only give you 9 units, though. Start with +1 random card from your king in hand per rank. That's good. That gives you more stuff to start with. Lucky politician. Persistent nurturer. I think we're gonna go with tenacious. Wait, no. We're gonna go with hoarder. And then we're on Squire difficulty. Let's give it a shot. This run is going to okay, bad. This is bad. This is a bad start. We're gonna put the tree in the back. We're gonna bore. We're gonna mycelium. So that's what the treant does. It puts down these circles which deal just consistent damage. And it's not bad. It's actually pretty good. But also, the mycelium things never go away, or so I've been told. They just stay there forever. Alright, elf. Ranged sniper. Always attacks the most distant target. Yeah. We're going to put down the elf. The problem is I want to put him next to the boar so they can move around, but I know that these guys aren't ranged. So we do want the boar to kind of show up front. Just kind of eat hits. And we want the elves to take stuff out from far. We're not taking wizards again. Doubles every heal effect you receive. Unlocks 3 random plots, or doubles the movement speed of all your units. Do we want really fast boars? I think we're going to take the heals because his things do heal our allies. We're going to give the boars combustion because I think they're going to be just doing a little bit more. So there's a lot of passives going on with the King of Nature. Poison's passive, Mycelium's passive, these AoE things are passive. Prophet has foreseen a blessing in 9 years. Illuminism. The card on the target plot will level up on the year of its prophecy. Okay, good. That is... Oh, wow. 3 spots, huh? Well, I'm definitely putting the forest in the middle. But it's good to know that I can put any random troop in either of those spots and they'll just get a free level up in 9 years. Sure. We'll put a shaman down. Shamans. Of course it doesn't work. Why would it work? Okay, great. Great, that ruins everything. Give me some lab rats. Wage war against another king, king of nothing. Every time. He's the best one. He's got the best shit. We're gonna go ahead and lab rat. Dude, these shamans rule. I love shamans. I love guys that don't do anything and actively take away. This is rough. This is not going great. Scapegoat, Ballista, Boar, Mercenary, Bomber, Imp. I think I'm going to skip to all, honestly. Alright, we can level up our Boar. That's what we'll do. Put a Boar down. Put an Elf down. Are the mice riding the boars? Am I seeing that right? It better be. I don't understand why the elves sometimes just choose not to shoot. Boars are poisoned. Okay. We have to get rid of these shaman. They're awful. We simply must get rid of these shaman. What is the point of boosting your troops if they're not going to do it? And if they are doing it, they should be doing it better. Wow, the rats did 51 damage? Okay. Okay. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Never mind. Lock 3 new random plots with forests on each of them. As long as it doesn't steal my money, I think I'm fine with it. Okay, good. It didn't steal my money. Bad news. They're all in terrible spots. We're going to put down another tree end. Wait. Okay, yeah. This one, literally none of them do anything. We also need to get a troop down on here. Oh, wait. There are troops. They're going to level up. Okay, next term, all of our these 3 things level up. And that does something. Our shamans are literally fucking useless. Maybe when they level up, they'll be slightly less useless. These executioners are really kicking my patukas. Illuminism, huzzah. My rats leveled up. We got level 4 rats now. We can go ahead. When they stack, does it give you more than 1 precision, I wonder? King of Spells might be the worst. Not necessarily to fight, I just feel like the stuff they give you isn't great. Like the library is borderline useless. I feel like I'm just not getting anything. Like, for the love of God, give me overhaul, give me sacrifice, give me exploitation, whatever the hell it's called. Yeah, we're losing a life here. No, we're not. Oh man. Farm, thank God, finally. Give me so many more archers. Right? Yes. Farm and Blacksmith are the 2 best cards in the game. Bar none. There's nothing better than just getting stronger and more guys every time. Why is that one archer so goddamn big? Offering. Yes, Offering's the one I want. Offering's the thing that can let us destroy shit for free. That being said... Offering this is literally useless. Oh, Earthworks this. Ooh, this is good. We just got saved. Now we can put down a... Let me look what I have first. Wildcard, Precision, Forest. Okay, we're going to Forest. We can wild card anything to level it up. I either want to wild card the farm or the mycelium. I think I'm going to wild card the mycelium just because it needs to be better. It can't still be level 1. I should have gotten one by now. I don't know why I haven't. But that was such a good pool. This is the kind of round where you want gambling just so you can do more stuff. Like, I don't have anything going on right now, you know? Okay. There's the last mycelium, but I think I want to give precision to the warlocks, I guess. I would take a Spire, honestly. I have the healing buff. A Spire wouldn't be bad. If they'll give it to me. They won't. They will give me another goddamn Siren, though. Whenever you add a unit is added. Whenever any unit is added to any plot, add 1 extra unit. All my towers and units get stronger. How about that one? Bam. How many rats do I got? Only 10 rats? We should make that 19 rats. We should double our rat efficiency. Look at all of those executioners. The thing about executioners, which is why they're bad, is every single one of them targets the single unit with the lowest HP. Reinforce is a great card. I will say that with every single ounce of my body. Make peace with an enemy. King of Spells. Get him the fuck out of here. Okay. I'm gonna max out our Treant. How many elves do I have? 17 elves. That's a great thing about... I've been holding on to this Procreate card, I think, for the entire game, now that I really think about it. I don't think I've... Clone. Clone the farm. Level up the farm. Farm. Our mycelium is doing so much work. Holy hell. Reinforce. Not enough money. All right. We're getting rid of the goddamn shamans. Let's go. Did it sell one of those? I guess everything is max level now, huh? Why do I have a shaman in my inventory? Okay, we're gonna place him down there, and then we're probably gonna experiment or whatever it's called on him. Let's play an orchard. We're not doing anything. I shouldn't have put it there. That's stealing farmland, you silly goose. So I guess those are the roots. They're dealing damage. It's doing more damage than... No, it's not. It's doing the least amount of damage possible. New tower, new tower, new tower. I guess put it over here. So, this is offering. Okay, this is all good. Then we can earthworks on this to get the orchard back. Then we can put the orchard down in the corner. We can over-invest in our mycelium, because that'll do... Oh, wait. 30 gold, increase every stat of a trooper tower. Damage, hits per second, crit chance. Damage, hits per second... Is it worth it over investing on our warlocks? They're doing the most damage right now, except for the mycelium. think we overinvest on them, and then we also procreate them? I really hope our rats are riding on our doors. That's just cute. Farm. Man, if only wait, this is the most effective place to put it, but it doesn't hit our warlocks. Maybe I get an earthworks and I can redistribute this farm. Could you imagine? I guarantee you that the earthworks used to give you however many it was. Whenever any unit, yeah, no, I'm not doing that. Okay, we're gonna reinforce. Is everybody reinforced 1 already? No, the boars aren't. Reinforce the boars. Imagine having like a level 30 whatever rat, and then you use earthworks on it, and it just gave you 30 cards of rats. Just fill your whole board from top to bottom. No, you just put all of them back in 1, probably. I'm sure every time you level them up, they get stat increases. That makes sense. I should check one of these times. Blacksmith. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, I think I do the forest. I think I get rid of the forest. I think they probably have enough HP by now. And then I can put a blacksmith down, and they can start getting more dammies instead of more HPs. Oh, shrine. Spends 9 gold every year to level up 1 random plot. Okay, it's just gonna be leveling up my rats every time, right? Eventually, I'm just gonna run out of gold. Blacksmith, duh. Shrine. Somewhere where it's not gonna matter. Spire for healing. Does this technically count as... Cool, so it actually does negative damage, so maybe this will make its heals stronger? I'm already getting double heals. Go ahead and wildcard Blacksmith, just to get more damage. Oh man, next year's the end. We're almost done with this. Our army's pretty good, to be completely honest. We have so many archers. We have 58 archers. Elves. Not archers. Archers are different. These are elves. Clone. Yes, yes, yes. I know. We have to play all of our cards. Okay. Reinforce. Who wants more damage? We honestly might want to give these guys more damage. And then we're going to clone the shrine. No. No, we're going to clone the spire. We're going to steal the spire. Then we're going to overhaul the roots. Well, they say they're doing 800 damage. But how do we know that? Bam. And we have level 12 rats. Wow. I don't know if that's our archers or what. But all of our executioners are targeting one guy, and our healing power is just matching it. Bam. Done. Huzzah. Continue playing Demon Acceptable. Show me the tower. Rise, that mighty tower. Oh, it's clipping through a tree. Broken game. Literally unplayable. We need to get some vaults down, so we want to... Oh, converter, yuck. Concabulator, yuck. Rats, yes please. I need to get a lot of vaults. Hopefully they let us declare war on King. Wow. Ate them. Yes, King of Greed, thank God. Let's get some vaults in here, huh? Blacksmith down here, and then we can put another troop here. And because they're adjacent to the rats, it'll also give the rats more damage. Oh, buildings do their effects twice, so it just maxes out anything I place down, and if it doesn't, it spends it on the goddamn rats. That's awesome. That shrine's busted. Let's reinforce our rats again. Yeah, it's just leveling up our rats every turn. We have level 16 rats. Oh, I should have put this next to the rats. Well, receive 3 procreate cards immediately. Buildings apply their effect one more time. Let's go. Or do we want gambling? Do we want to just do more stuff? I think we might just... overwork's really good, but gambling. You gotta gamble, man. Let's give our rats some poison, baby. Do we have thorns? We don't. Uh-oh. 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 Wow, we didn't even come close. That was rough. Wild card can only work on the rats. Steel coat can work on anybody. Converter's useless. Concabulator's okay, but not really. So let's steel coat our rats. Wild card. Let's put down the concabulator, and then we'll level up the concabulator next turn with the wild card. Because eventually this is going to concabulate the concabulator. Right? Does that make sense? Oh no, the bees. They reach the archers. Are we actually not at all even a little bit prepared? God, we suck. Oh my god. Wow, we're not even going to make it to year 40. We're not going to win year 40. Oh god, this sucks. Midas touch on the elves. Wild card on the concabulator. Okay, so everything just leveled up. We're getting stronger and we're getting more guys, but that doesn't seem to matter because once our rats and like these guys die, we just don't have enough DPS to do anything about it. Oh my god, wow, we just got fully swept. Yikes. That's weird. We're doing so much DPS. Oh well. We still won. 21 minutes, 40 years, 5,000 kills, 220 units trained, 350 gold, 33 spells, 16 constructions, 52 plots leveled up, and 9 destroyed. And we've reached level 2 of the King of Nature. Well, that was fun. A little bit disappointing, but overall fun. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. This is Nine Kings. Fun little roguelike in early access still. Give it a peek if you'd like to. If not, don't feel pressured or anything. Next, we're playing as, I think, who's next? We already played as the King of Stone. We played as everybody now. My word. Huh. I guess we're gonna have to go through everyone else on night mode now. So I'll see you guys in the next one.